What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. मैं start कर दिया उससे नहीं तो ये चुरा ले. House is a mess. It's like a
mess. नहीं. There's a bomb which has gone off inside the house. As in today, my wife woke me up saying that Rohit, get up.
The pest control people are coming up.
I was like, it was not early morning. It was 9:30. And मेरे को इतना आदत हो गया late उठने का कि I'm not waking up any time before 10 o'clock off late. Very honestly, very a bad habit, but हो गया. And इसका शादी क्या है कि पता नहीं. हमारा पूरा घर has become.
So the car is getting painted. The kitchen is under renovation. House में termite का clean कर रहे हैं. There's a pest control people who came up. They drilled up holes inside the walls.
Why?
Instead of protecting from seepage. In this mess, good news is we are connecting that meetup and it is today. We are going and we're going to start in like another 5 minutes. That's a bit good thing, but the bad thing is in this mess, in that mess we have a GoPro. And
it is supposed to be there. Honestly, even last night I remember the GoPro mounting to be on that.
And I kept the GoPro charging.
GoPro for charging there. I don't know, we're not finding it yet today. It will be there.
From past 1 hour we are
honestly, we wanted to start by 3. We've been searching for that for literally like ever. We've hit our heads on the walls. Still couldn't find it.
Hopefully
called mom. Mom couldn't find it. Bole to it is somewhere. I hope we didn't lose it, dude. Because aaj subah bhi it was there, dude. Yeah. So let's see kya hoga.
So this is the mess of my room.
This is the mess from these cupboards.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, okay. ఈ ఎండలో బ్లాక్ షర్ట్ వేసి బ్లాక్ టీ
మీ అంత ట్విన్నింగ్ మీ అంత డబ్బులు లేవరా నాకు
This is my room, or what is remaining of my room. In fact, abhi I just had taken bath half an hour ago. My clothes are somewhere under that. Toiletries are in this bucket. I had to use whatever jahan se bhi jo bhi mila, and I'm supposedly going for a meetup with this way. It is very old. It is over
10 years.
10 years?
12
old.
years.
This is from our Sindhi colony.
नहीं रे 12 years रे.
अच्छा.
12-year-old fridge refrigerator. And इसका compressor गया टूटा फूटा कंडीशन में है.
नहीं, it is working. It is working.
But let's see कितने साल काम करेगा. But we have our new refrigerator.
New वाला नीचे है. I'll show you that. I'll be going out of the house. चलो अभी सॉक्स भी ढूंढना है. कहाँ पर है वो नहीं पता हो. चलो see you. And obviously no recording on the bike because GoPro नहीं है. So finally we are at Driven Cafe. This is where we're going to meet up rest of the guys. Yeah. That's Sandhya.
Co-owner of Rev Your Soul.
Yeah, co-owner of Rev Your Soul. The app. Rest of the boys are there ordering something for themselves.
Just Chetu, Edwin and Shiva.
Yep.
Chalo, let's go up, let's meet everyone.
Boys!
Hi everyone, a very very good evening. Thank you for coming and we are looking forward to an awesome turnout today. I am Sandhya, I am the co-founder of the Rev Your Soul app and we are here today to have some fun times with Anand, who is the founder of Rev Your Soul app, and of course the Two Brother Vlogs. I think all of you all are super excited to meet them.
Why vlogging? All of you want to know why they started vlogging. Come on. Please don't tell me time pass.
No, exactly 1 year ago the lockdown started. Right?
Okay.
And both of us were extremely bored.
Extremely?
Bored.
Bored?
Yeah.
Okay.
We had 4 bikes sitting in the garage. We had Xbox which was not working. We had 1 camera. We thought let's try vlogging. I was the one who initiated it back in 2020 Jan. Then Rohit took it forward in March.
So you started it with Two Brother Vlogs?
No, I came up with the concept.
Oh, you came up with the concept Two Brother Vlogs.
So I was actually interested in Two Brother exhaust.
I know, absolutely. Yeah, Two Brother exhaust.
So वो exhaust निकाल के vlog लगा दी. It's easier.
You know, so what did you guys do during the lockdown? That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Can I have your name?
Brilliant? Are you serious? His name is Brilliant?
His name is Brilliant. Wow! I just said Brilliant and he's alive. Wonderful. When I started riding in 2015, all of us, actually both of us started riding together. And when I went to buy my first helmet, I actually bought a empty helmet. Empty helmet cost about 5,500. And my first LS2 costed about 3,000 rupees, and then after that I graduated to buying an empty helmet, which is about 7,000 rupees. Then after 2 years, when I bought a bigger bike, I said I needed a better helmet. But when I started researching for helmets like Arai and Shoei or AGV, all were about the 40, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 ranges. So one of my friends said, "Why did you pick up one of these helmets?" I said, it's too expensive. I've already spent 7,000 rupees on a helmet 2 years back. I don't want to buy another helmet. So he says, what is the worth of your head? It was a very simple question. What do you value your head for? And I had no answer to that. And the next thing is when I went and picked up a new Arai helmet. So it's not about the cost. Yes, it matters to a lot of people today. People think riding gear is just an addition to your riding, but it is not. You should not ride without riding gear. So I request all of you to please wear full riding gear whenever you go for rides. May it be some short rides, may it be long rides. It's going to save you in a fall. It might not protect you completely, but at least it'll give you a chance of survival. I think Chaitanya has witness to that. Some of my friends.
One example is the Euro NCAP. I'm not talking about bikes, but cars. The crash testing happens at 60 kilometers per hour. And imagine, you can watch any video on YouTube, anywhere, wherever you find. Look at the condition of the vehicles when they crash at 60 kilometers per hour. And 180cc scooter can go much faster than that. So imagine your body cannot take a shock like that. The only way to protect is protection.
Okay, so now we'll have a rapid fire. Are you guys ready for the rapid fire? Yes. Okay. Now it's fun time.
Chalo. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You're not going anywhere. What is Srujan's most annoying riding habit? You have to be quick, come on. Rapid fire.
It's a little rash.
He's a little rash. That's it.
Yeah, man, compared to Chaitanya, definitely little.
Okay, what is Rohit's most irritating riding habit?
He doesn't ride good. It's actually a hypothetical question. Would you rather give me a phone number or a ride on your bike? Anyone can answer. Which one do you prefer? Street triple? Street triple? Take my phone number.
Sunny, you're about to ask some question. What question?
Guys, today is the next day and we just reached home.
We were supposed to come back last night. I edited the video for today, but that's only gonna happen.
We went out to our
next
friend's
morning.
place and we couldn't do any editing and we could not see any footage. But we just stopped here behind the house to show you guys. That's the first coat. So painting का काम शुरू.
अंदर जाके कुछ और भी दिखाना है, दिखाएंगे. Oh my god, it's hot, dude. And it's exactly 10:50. 11:15 तक we should get ready and go for Sangeet ka practice. So you know how tightly packed we are. Unbelievable. Today is a very busy day.
And then after that, Sangeet ka practice will get over at what, 4:30 or so.
2.
मेरा friends के साथ भी है ना.
अच्छा.
4:30 and so. And at 5 o'clock we have our cricket.
Crazy day today. Chalo. No time to waste. Look at the mess. The entire house. Come here. Every single room is like this. So it's literally like we're shifting out of this house. I honestly feel like that. And we'll show you one more thing. So a little bit of remodeling, a little bit of this, a little bit of madness is also installed in what we are doing. But it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you in the next video. And there's a beautiful hummingbird there. I don't know if it won't come. So crazy colors. Black and blue.
The battery of the camera is dead. The memory card is also full. So I just want to say goodbye. Peace. Until next vlog.
Bye. Love you all.